Black Friday is here and Temu has already dropped some incredible deals, especially in the home and kitchen categories. We're talking massive discounts, sometimes up to 90% off. To save you the scroll, we've scanned Temu and picked out 30 fantastic deals that offer incredible value and utility for your everyday life. So stick around, hit that like button, and let's dive into these amazing finds. Starting our selection with number 30, Commercial Espresso Maker. You're getting an incredible 80% discount on this professional-grade compact espresso maker, now priced at just $56.87, down from its original price of $297.98. Perfect for coffee enthusiasts, this stainless steel machine features a 20-bar pump for rich espresso and a steam milk frother, allowing you to craft cappuccinos and lattes right in your home. Its 48-ounce removable water tank makes it super convenient for daily use, bringing that barista experience straight to your kitchen counter without taking up too much space. Number 29. 4-layer rolling egg rack. Next, grab this 4-layer rolling egg rack at an amazing 91% off. Originally $42.78, it's now just $3.51. This space-saving organizer fits perfectly in your refrigerator or on your kitchen counter, holding up to 30 eggs. Its clever rolling design ensures you always use the oldest eggs first, and the convenient handle makes it easy to access. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your eggs organized and your fridge clutter-free. Number 28. 1-gallon party drink dispenser. Moving on, check out these 2 packs of 1-gallon glass party drink dispensers, now 84% off at $19.37, down from $123.95. Each dispenser comes with a sturdy stand and a durable 304 stainless steel faucet, making them perfect for entertaining. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or an indoor gathering, these elegant dispensers will keep your guests refreshed with lemonade, iced tea, or sangria, adding a touch of class to any event. Number 27. 34-piece silicone utensil set. This comprehensive 34-piece silicone cooking utensil set is now 80% off, available for just $23.65, reduced from $118.62. Featuring heat-resistant silicone and stylish black wooden handles, this set is gentle on non-stick cookware and covers all your culinary needs. It's an ideal gift for any home chef, providing all the essential tools for daily cooking and baking. Number 26. Deep Pink Nitrile Gloves. You can snag these deep pink disposable nitrile gloves at a fantastic 86% discount, now only $4.10 from their original $30.60. These lightweight, alcohol-free gloves are perfect for household cleaning, pet care, or even hair dyeing, offering versatile protection. Available in various sizes, they're a multi-purpose essential for keeping your hands clean and protected. Number 25. Under Sink Organizers. Get organized with these 2-level organizers for under the sink, now just $9.40, a huge 90% off its original $94.44. With a convenient sliding pull-out shelf, these metal organizers are perfect for maximizing space in your kitchen, bathroom, pantry, or closet. They're a practical solution for anyone looking to declutter and make the most of their storage areas. Number 24. Electric Salt and Pepper Grinders. Spice up your cooking with this 2-pack of gravity-powered electric salt and pepper grinders, now 83% off at just $7.99, down from $48.95. These battery-powered grinders feature automatic one-handed operation and adjustable coarseness, complete with an LED light for precision seasoning. They're a stylish and convenient addition to any modern kitchen, perfect for quick seasoning. Number 23. Mixing Bowl Set. This 20-piece set of stainless steel mixing bowls with airtight lids is now 81% off, priced at $23.73 from an original $128.22. With various sizes and non-slip silicone bottoms, these nesting bowls are fantastic for mixing, baking, and serving. This set is a versatile must-have for any kitchen, offering durable and practical solutions for all your food prep needs. Number 22. Tempura Deep Fryer Pan. Save 85% on this stainless steel Jumi Japanese tempura deep fryer pan, now just $22.48, originally $152. This induction-compatible fryer comes with a thermometer for precise temperature control, making it perfect for achieving perfectly crispy tempura. It's a great tool for anyone who loves cooking authentic Asian dishes or crispy fried foods at home. Number 21. 12-piece non-stick cookware set. This 12-piece non-stick induction-ready kitchen cookware set is a steal at $36.50, a massive 85% off its original $252.45. Featuring detachable handles for space-saving and oven-safe use, this set is perfect for small kitchens or anyone looking for versatile cooking options. It combines style and functionality, making everyday cooking a breeze. Number 20. Handheld Ironing Machine. This portable handheld hanging ironing machine is 81% off, available for just $16.40, down from $86.96. With 1,100 watts of high power, a stainless steel panel, and a 10.14-ounce water tank, it quickly removes wrinkles in just 20 seconds. It's a travel-friendly essential for keeping various clothing fabrics looking fresh and neat, whether at home or on the go. Number 19. Automatic USB Food Sealer. Secure your food with this automatic food sealer, now only $8.84, saving you 84% from its original $57.99. This USB-powered, one-touch sealer features both vacuum and inflation modes, with a compact design and digital display for convenience. Ideal for preserving freshness at home, during camping, or in the office, it's a versatile tool for extending the shelf life of your groceries. Number 18. 3-tier Carrier Dispenser. Organize your pantry with this 3-barrel Terrial machine, now available for $15.74, an 84% discount from its original $99.98. This dispenser is perfect for storing rice, oatmeal, snacks, or candy, keeping them fresh and easily accessible. It's a functional and aesthetically pleasing addition to any kitchen for a clutter-free breakfast routine. Number 17. 2-in-1 Cake Stand. This multifunctional 2-in-1 cake stand with acrylic dome lid is now $19.36, saving you 85% off its original $135.53. Featuring an acacia wood serving platter, it doubles as a veggie tray or fruit bowl, perfect for parties and holiday gatherings. It's a shatterproof and elegant way to display desserts or appetizers, making it a versatile piece for any host.
Number 16.
Ergonomic Neck Pillow. Snag this ergonomic neck pillow at an 85% discount, now just $13.92, down from $98.56. Designed for sleep relaxation, this slow rebound memory pillow provides optimal neck support for back and side sleepers. It's a thoughtful gift for anyone seeking enhanced sleep comfort, promoting a restful night. Number 15. Soft Quilted Sofa Cushion. This soft quilted sofa cushion is now available for just $14.95, a huge 85% off its original $104.12. Made from thickened polyester, it adds warmth and comfort to your sofa during autumn and winter. Perfect for 2, 3, or 4-seater sofas, it's an easy way to refresh your living room decor and add coziness. Number 14. Arched Full-Length Mirror. Reflect your style with this arched full-length mirror, now 85% off at $23.67, originally $167.30. With a sleek aluminum alloy frame and shatterproof nanoglass, this mirror is a modern and safe addition to any bedroom, living room, or cloakroom. Its versatile design allows for standing or wall mounting, offering both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Number 13. Extra Thick Mattress Topper. Upgrade your sleep experience with this extra thick mattress topper, now only $12.92, saving you 85% from its original $91.03. This quilted fitted mattress protector stretches to fit deep pockets, 8 to 21 inches, and offers cooling properties with 2000 GSM filling. It's perfect for anyone seeking enhanced comfort and support for a more luxurious night's sleep. Number 12. Luxurious Shaggy Carpet Rug. Add comfort and style to your home with this luxurious rectangular shaggy plush carpet rug, now 85% off at $18, down from $123.91. This soft, fluffy, and non-slip rug is machine washable, making it easy to clean and maintain. Perfect for a living room sofa, bedroom, or as a high-end decorative piece. It brings warmth and elegance to any space. Number 11. 2-drawer bedside desk in a 20-inch height small bedside furniture and desk, now 86% off at $14.82, originally $108.22. Ideal for storage and organization in your bedroom or as a room decor accent, these compact nightstands feature fabric cabinets and wooden tops. They're perfect for small spaces, offering discreet storage for books, remotes, or personal items.
Number 10. Multi-tier Iron Storage Shelf. Get organized with this heavy-duty iron storage shelf, available for $21.99, an 82% discount from its original $123.30. This foldable and portable multi-tier shelving unit is easy to assemble and perfect for offices, garages, or pantries, offering versatile storage solutions. Its space-saving design and sturdy construction make it ideal for storing various items efficiently. Number 9. Smart Motion Sensor Trash Cans. These two touchless Smart Motion Sensor trash cans are now 80% off, priced at $24.01, down from $121. Each 2.6-gallon bin features an odor-sealing lid and a sleek white and black design, perfect for bathrooms, bedrooms, living rooms, or offices. They offer a hygienic and convenient waste disposal solution, blending modern technology with practical home use. Number 8. 9-Layer Bamboo Shoe Rack. This 9-layer bamboo shoe rack is now available for just $15.82, an impressive 87% off its original $124.99. This tall, narrow, and free-stackable shoe rack is perfect for small spaces like entryways, closets, or corners, maximizing vertical storage. It's an eco-friendly and efficient way to keep your shoe collection organized and easily accessible. Number 7. Multi-Drawer Jewelry Box. Organize your precious items with this multifunctional, transparent desktop large-capacity drawer-type jewelry box, now 83% off at $23.97, originally $148.04. Featuring multiple layers and compartments, it's perfect for storing bracelets, watches, rings, earrings, and necklaces. This elegant storage solution keeps your jewelry tidy and visible, ideal for any dresser or vanity. Number 6. Arched Floor Lamp with Remote. Illuminate your space with this 65-inch arched floor lamp, now 84% off at $47.52, down from $309.86. This modern black LED floor lamp offers 3 color temperatures, dimmable settings, and remote control for ambient lighting in your bedroom or living room. Its curved design adds a stylish touch, providing versatile and customizable illumination for any decor. Number 5. High Precision Digital Scale. This high-precision digital smart scale is now 82% off, available for just $20.65, down from $115.26. Compact and durable, this battery-powered, AAA not included, mini weighing scale features an LCD display for accurate measurements. Perfect for home use, fitness tracking, and weight loss goals, it's an essential accessory for monitoring your health and progress. Number 4. Electric Fireplace Space Heater. Cozy up with this 1400W electric fireplace stove space heater, now 84% off at $69.68, originally $436.16. This portable freestanding heater features a thermostat, realistic 3D flame effects, and overheat and tip-over protection for safety. Ideal for bedrooms or living rooms, it offers a charming ambiance and efficient room heating, perfect for winter evenings. Number 3. Foldable Laundry Basket with Wheels. This large foldable laundry basket with wheels is now 84% off, priced at $13.13, down from $84.69. Made from faux leather, this hamper without a lid is hand-washable and available in multiple sizes, 12, 17, or 20 gallons. It's a stylish and practical storage solution for keeping laundry tidy in your bathroom or bedroom, easy to move thanks to its wheels. Number 2. Expandable Bamboo Bath Tray. Enjoy a luxurious bath with this expandable bamboo bath caddy tray, now 79% off at $23.08, originally $113.83. This adjustable and retractable caddy is water-resistant and easy to install, featuring a reading rack, tablet holder, and accessory compartments. It transforms your bath into a spa-like experience, perfect for relaxation and holding all your bath time essentials. Number 1. Rechargeable Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. We're wrapping up our list with this rechargeable handheld vacuum cleaner for home and car, now an incredible 85% off at just $7.92, down from $52.99. This powerful wireless dust buster is perfect for quick cleanups in your auto or around the house, tackling crumbs and debris with ease. It's a convenient and portable cleaning solution for everyday messes, making it a must-have for every household and car owner.